Good morning, Luca. We're off to the deer. You're not happy? We're having a walk to Cramlington Nature Reserve. Aren't we, Luca? Show you the path. Oh, we're in Montana. We'll just take our time. Enjoying yourself, Luca? There you is. Come on, Montana, we're at 5. We're at 5, Montana. Yeah? We love you. Luca. Luca, Lou. Where's he? Mama. Mama. Luca loves Montana as well. Luca, do you like the woods? Listen to all the birds. Luca. You're getting happy. Daddy's struggling a bit. Walking. I can't manage. Luca. You're taking it all in. Oh no, Luca. The bird. Grass. Luca, I just love watching your face.